everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to redeem Uber Eats gift card. Now to do that, first thing is open a Google browser, click open new tab. There on the search bar, you type in ubereats.com and press enter. This will open the official webpage of Uber Eats where you need to get logged in into the account. As you can see, I'm already logged in into my account of Uber Eats. So once you're at this page, you click on the hamburger icon on the top left, the menu icon, click that. From the options available, you need to click on wallet, click on it. This will open the wallet page in another web tab, and there in the Uber wallet you need to click on the add payment method, click on it. This will give you two options by adding a credit or debit card, and there's gift card, you click that. Now here you need to type in the code that is at the back of the gift card. Type in that code over here. The code is about 16 characters. Once you typed in the gift card code, you need to click on apply over here. Once you do that, the gift card code will be added, and when you order food from the Uber Eats, you can redeem this gift card from there. This is a way how you can easily redeem Uber gift card. You just need to input the correct character over here. Make sure you type in the correct character and then tap on apply. So this is a way how you can redeem Uber Eats gift card. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.